Sit back, relax, and put your headphones on. She's got the vids to keep you watching YouTube all night long. Her name is Shay.
So I just came back from Shizuoka-ken, and Shizuoka-ken is about an hour and a half from here via the Shinkansen, and this was the first trip I took alone. Usually I either have my family member with me or my friend who can help me film, and so this trip I tried to film myself, but it just didn't work because my face would fill up the entire screen, and that's not that pretty. But I did see Mount Fuji, and I'll show you those clips, and that's about it. Oh, this voice, yeah, so I'm sick too. That's why I have this raspy voice. Sorry. See you!